This is a brand new 2011 Ford F-150. It features a 5.0-liter 8-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Its top features and packages include a 4-speaker stereo system, a double wishbone independent front suspension, automatic locking wheel hubs, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, 12-volt power outlets, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, an anti-lock braking system, side impact airbags, and a trailer towing package. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Kunes Country Ford Lincoln of Antioch is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 104 Route 173 in Antioch.